What in the world is this? Yes, it is my bed filled with lots of different outfits because we are planning on a birthday road trip vacation this next week, and I just want to walk you guys through exactly how I plan for my outfits. Now we're going for 5 days and 4 nights, so this is exactly what I have done. I know kind of what we're doing. So we've got a semi fancy dinner for Saturday night. So I did that. Now I also planned a couple of casual outfits. Now the weather's going to be crazy this weekend. We've got one cold day, one warm day, and then kind of sandwiched in between. So it's going to be cold, warm, cold, warm. So I have to plan for both. But as you can see, I've got the jewelry and the shoes and all the outfits that I have planned all together. And for nighttime, I've got my first night outfit. That's my favorite Rock Revival jeans. And depending on the weather, I've got sandals if it is warm, and booties if it is a little bit colder. And to transition into another day to be able to use the same thing, the same blouse, we have got the khaki shorts with just different shoes and different jewelry to go with the same there. And I always take two dresses that can be worn day or night, just as extras, and each of them have their jewelry and their shoes planned out with it. And this is my second nighttime outfit, which is my new blouse with leggings and my straight leg boots. So that is 5 days worth of outfits all planned out. If you lay it out on your bed and put all your jewelry and your accessories with it, you will have your whole week of outfits planned. That makes getting dressed in the morning so much easier. You guys take care, and as always,